On a recent trip to Hawaii, we visited a pineapple plantation and tried Dole Whip.
Doesn't quite look as spectacular as it does on the photo.
No. So this is Dole Whip, or pineapple whipped ice cream. Oh God.
Good.
Seriously good.
After extensive sampling for recipe development purposes, I allowed the family to have a try of the Dole Whip. Everyone felt the same way. The ice cream tasted just like fluffy, creamy pineapple whipped. Basically, a pineapple version of the raspberry fruity dream.
What do you think, kids?
Really terrible.
It's terrible.
It's really good.
Delicious.
What does it taste like, Kanae?
Actual pineapple.
I know, it's weird, isn't it? It tastes like blended whipped pineapple, and that's it. With extra sugar added.
Yeah.
A lot.
So that's what we're making today, Pineapple Dole Whip. So the first step is to add 40 grams of white sugar to the TM bowl. And then we're going to mill that for 10 seconds on speed 9. Now this makes some icing sugar so that we don't get any grainy bits in our fruity dream or Dole Whip. Then we add 500 to 600 grams of frozen pineapple pieces and replace the MC with the spatula. Use the spatula to agitate the mixture as it's blending for 1 minute on speed 7. Scrape down the bowl with a spatula and place the butterfly in position. Give it a half turn to secure it in the bowl and add your egg white. Then you will whip the mixture for 1 minute on speed 4. Whilst the mixture is being whipped, feel free to open the MC and take a look and see how things are going. The end result is a light, fluffy pineapple whip. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you like the recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again and happy cooking!